Welcome back, Bears. I'm Mr. Serna reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Thursday, September 21st. Bears, tonight is our annual open house. Brennan's annual open house is from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Parents and students will meet in the auditorium with a brief welcome from Dr. John Trimble, our principal, and then a regular PTSA membership meeting will follow. Parents will have the opportunity to walk the campus, meet teachers, and see what Brennan is all about. Make plans to attend. Once more, congrats to U.S. History teacher Sean Callihan for being selected as Teacher of the Week. Congrats. Congrats also to Lady Bears Volleyball team member Jasmine Dukes for her acceptance and scholarship to continue playing at Texas A&M Kingsville. And this past Tuesday, our Lady Bears Volleyball team had another 3-game sweep, this time against the Holmes Lady Huskies. They won 25-13, 24-13, sorry about that, and 15-10. Way to go, ladies. Tomorrow, the Lady Bears face the J Lady Mustangs at the Northside Sports Gym at 5:30 p.m. BF&D, ladies. Also, this past Tuesday, Bears tennis continued to make history with their 18-1 win over Harlan. They stay undefeated, 8-0 in the district, and call themselves district champs for the first time ever. Way to go. We know they'll continue to play their best against Stevens tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. at the Anne Marie Tennis Center. BF&D Bears Tennis. Students who stay after school for tutoring and ride the bus, the tutoring late bus will run Monday through Thursday from Brennan at 5:45 p.m. But all students will need a pass to ride the bus. Finally, Bears, for those of you who did not pick up a Chromebook during the first weeks of school, you can go to E101 on Tuesday, September 26th. Our technology support specialist, Jessica Rodriguez, will be there the entire day. Well, this is all I have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email me, Mr. Serna, at fernando.serna@nisd.net. I'm Mr. Serna, signing off from BTV. And remember, wear your IDs, okay? Have a great day, Bears. And let's keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in learning, and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.